Happy birthday to you and many more.
Say when, Hudson. Boom! Good shot. Boom! Good shot, Tommy. Yeah! All right. Are ready? Yeah!
There you go.
Good job.
I think you want them more to the right or left?
Left.
Ooh. Oh, my bad.
It's all right. You want safety? Jojo, you want to shoot? Let Jojo shoot.
All right.
You got 5 shots.
Yes, sir. Pull.
That's all right.
Pull. Oh. Pull.
It's all right.
Like I'm talking, but it's talking itself. All right. Pull.
Yeah.
That was close.
Good job, Joe. Put it on safety. There you go.
I know what's wrong with my aim today.
My aim increased from last year.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're doing a lot better.
You ready?
Wait, I got some more 16 gauge in my ammo.
Alright.
Yeah! Boom! Good job.
Pull.
Almost. That's probably it, and yeah, we'll reload it. Good job, Joe.
That's
Jojo.
easy.
Boom! Good shot, Tommy. Good shot. Oh yeah, good shot.
Ready? Shoot it. It came out in 2.
Yeah.
Come on, Hudson. When you go to put them in, put them a little bit under half, okay?
Alright.
That way they don't swing to the left.
Down.
Pull.
Height. Alright.
Pull.
Shot it in half.
One more.
They're like a NASCAR.
Hudson's having to put
Driver.
every
Not
potato
driver,
he's got into
NASCAR.
cocking that thing back.
Like when you get off the tires.
Oh.
What the? Sucker got destroyed.
Some of them are gonna break anyway.
Pull.
These are old.
Booyah!
I'll load for Hudson.
Pull.
Yeah, here we go.
Plays one
Go for
shot,
it. Go
one
for
hit, 2 none.
Ready, go.
Pull.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm wasting them.
Yeah.
Not like last year where I'm going doo 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 doo.
Yeah.
Pull.
Boom! Good shot.
Whenever you're ready, Hudson.
This thing tears them up, don't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Make it level when you go.
Boom! Good shot.
Hey! Finally, you got one.
That's a mess. Those are probably from ours.
Here we go, JoJo.
You ready?
Pull. But they're not breaking when they hit the ground.
That's good. We go get them.
Sure.
There you go.
I don't know how to use it.
There you go, boss. Say when, Hudson. Boom! Good shot.
Alright, pull.
Yeah! Good job.
Boom.
Nice. Good shot. Oh, yeah. Almost.
Hey,
Do you ever make clay shoes?
I just can't get it.
You need help?
No, I'm good. I got
You,
it.
you got everything loaded?
Yeah, it's good.
Go for it. Oh, two of them. Did you jam up? Yeah.
No, just push it forward. It'll go.
There you go.
That's not bad.
Man, that was perfect.
Yeah, I was hoping you hit both of them at the same time.
Oh, that would have been cool.
Alright, pull.
What the heck?
You could probably hit one of them.
That didn't have no kick. 12 gauges aren't that bad.
All right, JoJo, you want to go? Here you go. Hudson, you got one in the chamber on this gun?
Yes, sir.
Here you go. It's on safety.
Yes, sir. Pull.
Good try.
Pull.
Oh yeah! Good shot, JoJo.
Did I get it?
You got.
Pull.
That's all right. You're out of bullets, out of shells.
I think you can shoot
Hey,
Tony
Joseph,
short.
next time you're shooting that one, take your right foot, put it just behind your left. You standing flat-footed like this, and it can knock you off balance. So just
Right.
take your right foot and just move it back just a little bit, and that way you can lock that, straighten that back leg. Don't bend this knee. Stand up straight into it like that. Now hold it up. Hey, that's it. That's it there. Oh,
Nice.
oh.
Boom! Nice shot. Almost.
I think I can shoot your shotgun now.
How many you want?
One.
Jay saw me do it, and now he's brave enough to do it.
Did it have more kicks than this?
Nice.
Hey, you can't worry about the kick. You just gotta shoot. Shoulders heel, buddy. Hold on before you load it.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Put that right. Hold on. Hold the gun. Put it on safety. Now put that right foot back a little bit. Straighten that leg. Look at 8. Bingo. Bingo. That's it there.
Thank you. Pull. you go.
Not bad, JoJo.
It isn't. Now I know I can shoot it at other.
That's my first time shooting.
Kind of hit my cheek a little bit on my last shot.
Yeah, you gotta have it. You gotta be set. You gotta hurry up and get set. That's the whole point, you know. Hurry up and get set.
Oh,
Good shot.
All right, Hudson. Okay, buddy, you asked for it.
oh. What the? Oh. Oh.
Good shot. You got a little bit of it.
Got half of it. Woo.
Low. Oh! Boom! Nice.
Oh.
I've accepted my defeat.
Good news is there's a bunch of good
I
plays
have-
down there.
Yeah.
I accepted my fate.
Oh.
Yeah, 'cause you don't have my camera.
Boom!
Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
Go for it. That was a long one.
Oh.
Got it. You got to try.
Put it left outside to give you a meatball.
You ready, Hudson? You gonna let JoJo shoot?
No, this is my last round.
Okay. All right.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Out.
Okay. Is that it?
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
All
I'm gonna
right.
shoot this bad boy.
You got on safety?
Yes, sir.
Y'all don't worry about all this. I'll put Levi and Hudson on it.
Well, I told him, I said, you better go ahead and get him up while you got all the help.
Yeah.
Man, y'all coming over, y'all gotta bring y'all's guns. We don't let them shoot.
Yep.